Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a carrier thermostat and you want to change the batteries. So basically when the batteries need to be replaced, the screen will start to flash the battery indicator, and that means that you need to replace the backup batteries. And this is really easy to do. There are two AA batteries, and as you can see in this image, all you need to do is go in here, and this little top panel here, you can flip it open. And by flipping it open, that will give you access to the batteries. And now you can see the only batteries it's only two. There's nothing underneath there. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. It's as simple as that. All you need to do on your carrier thermostat is open the top, and you'll be able to replace the batteries. And again, not all of the thermostats have this, because some of the thermostats they don't have the battery backup, but when you need to replace them, you'll get the light on the screen, you'll get the little indicator on the screen, you open it up, you change the batteries, and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.